it was mental warfare every day. You're waking up the next day, you still locked up, you're still in the cell. It's like, and you haven't done anything.
Last September, Tyren Dickson lived a nightmare the second he got off a plane from Finland at Boston's Logan Airport. He had been playing football professionally overseas.
That's it. There you go. Good.
And mentoring children, and was coming home to his family in South Carolina. Tyren says he was immediately put in cuffs and was told there was a warrant out for his arrest in Barnwell County. It wasn't until the next day that he found out the warrant was for the 2023 shooting death of Jasmine Roach when she was 4 months pregnant.
We got that wrong. Like, I've never shot in a gun before. Like, no.
Tyren had never been to Barnwell County either. He was immediately placed in a federal prison in Rhode Island.
I'm thinking I'm going back to South Carolina. The day I signed the extradition, I'm thinking I'm going back home to South Carolina so I can tell these people that they got the wrong person. Like I've been telling everybody else, y'all got the wrong guy.
Tyren's new reality as an inmate was just starting. Within the span of 67 days, he was transferred between 5 different prisons throughout the country. Many of those days were spent in solitary confinement. Because of his NFL draft profile online, prison officials told him it would be safer for him to be separate from the general population. Regardless, he is dealing with PTSD.
It was one situation where when I was in solitary, I don't know what the guy had done, but they came and put a black sheet over the only thing that you could see out of. And all I hear is a guy in the cell screaming and yelling, "You breaking my ribs, you breaking my ribs."
Dixon is now suing in federal court. Columbia attorneys Joe McCullough and Robert Goings are representing him and say law enforcement made several fundamental mistakes. According to the lawsuit, Barnwell County investigators had the name, identity, and photos of accused shooter Tyren Dickson within hours of the deadly shooting. His name is spelled differently than Tyren's, and he weighs 100 pounds less. By the time Tyren was moved to Barnwell County, investigators realized their mistake within minutes.
As a law enforcement officer, if you're seeking the arrest of someone, you need to make sure that that actually is the person that there's probable cause.
Whether I'm dealing with the PTSD or not, I'm not going to give up. I didn't give up in that situation, and I made it out. So that's what it's going to be. You know what I mean? And it's just a story of resilience and having a little bit of faith in God, like, honestly.
Right now, Dixon is playing football back in Finland and mentoring kids. The Barnwell County Sheriff's Department has filed a response to the state court action, admitting they arrested the wrong person, but attorneys say they have yet to take any accountability and apologize to Tyren Dixon's family. They have not responded to the federal civil rights lawsuit that was filed. For more on the background of the case, you can see my recent conversation with Dixon's legal team on our website. Just click on the story over at WACH.com.
If you want to stay up to date with this story and much more, subscribe to our Watch Fox YouTube page. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.